Good afternoon. Welcome to Moon's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 1st through the 13th, December 1st to the 5th. We're expecting a flat zonal flow across much of the nation with above normal heights. We have a trough here over the Gulf of Alaska and Alaska, and we have above normal heights here across the high latitudes of the North Atlantic. And we take a look at the models. They're in pretty good agreement with this. You come to the 5th and we look at the rest of the models, we see very little change in overall circulation. Above normal temperatures are forecast for much of the nation, and for that fact, much of North America, for that matter, and the Rockies into the Mississippi Valley will experience anomalies of 10 degrees or greater, and light rain is forecast for the southeast, and a broad area of heavy precipitation is forecast for areas of the west, while higher elevation snow. December 4th to the 8th. Here we are at the 6th. During this period, the flow is forecast to slowly amplify with the ridge in the west, trough in the east. A strong positive height anomalies are forecast across the higher latitudes of the North Atlantic. The AO is currently neutral, but is predicted to trend negative and is forecast to remain negative over the next 2 weeks. The NAO is currently slightly negative. Strong positive height anomalies are predicted near Greenland, as I just showed you, and will eventually extend northward, covering the entire Atlantic with positive height anomalies and maintain a negative AO. The result would be cooler temperatures downstream. A trough will be replaced by a ridge over the Gulf of Alaska, contributing to a trough across eastern North America. So this is, like I showed you, this is the 6th, and we go through the period, and we come to the 8th. We start seeing evidence here of our trough. Here's our ridge here. We have a trough further to the west with strong positive height anomalies. This will be the main player. And then we look at the rest of the models. They're very similar. Even here, this is the European ensemble showing a split flow in the west. But that's the only model that really shows that. So for now, for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for the Northwest, forecasting in Northern California and the Northwest, and I'm forecasting numbers of 46 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast across much of this area here, with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. I think it'd be lower here in the east as we start to cool down. Now for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this area here with probability of occurrence of 30 to 50%, below normal, above normal precipitation forecast for the Arklatex region, and with the probability of 30% of occurrence. December 9th to 13th. The change should be complete, the transition in the pattern. Here we still have our strong positive height anomalies here. We have strong positive height anomalies here. And we have a trough in between across the eastern U.S. The models are good agreement. We go through the models. Come to 13th. Now you can see this is the GFS, very strong deep trough here. Here's our upper low. Sinks a little bit south of Hudson Bay. And the other models show are generally in the same forecast. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. I don't think the anomalies, the ensembles are showing are in good agreement with the pattern right now. It take a while to catch up, but for now, above normal temperatures here, with the numbers of 2 to 4 degrees, and near to below normal temperatures are forecast for much of this area here. And I think this would be a little bit more, maybe anomalies would be closer to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal, below normal precipitation for much of this area here, with the probability of occurrence of 30 to 50% or more of occurrence. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for the eastern Gulf Coast states and the southeast, with the probability of 30% chance of occurrence. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 1st to the 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munnings World of Weather, and have a good day.